Hi. Oh, I almost smashed in Tyler's what left breakfast. Hi, Faves. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Oh, you have my nose. Can you say morning to the Faves? Come here. Say morning, Faves. Tyler. Say morning, Faves. You guys. Good morning. Good afternoon and good night, y'all. I don't even know where to start, but let me tell you guys the truth, what is really up with us, what is really going on with us. First of all, I just need to say thanks to the genuine watchers that we have who have noticed difference on our channel, especially persons in particular who sent me messages on other social media to tell me what's up.
Pick my nose.
Pick your nose. I have it. You better run away. Especially or the persons who send me message on social media to really tell me what's going on. So let me just jump right into it. For the past few days, I realized that our channel, especially views, have gone down a lot. And we haven't been doing anything different. We still been doing our regular vlogs or our same content as usual, and we are struggling to get some views. So I get to understand that YouTube have unsubscribed some people, some genuine watchers who watch our channel almost every day have been unsubscribed. Yes, you take my nose. Okay, run away with it. So I'm just gonna ask you guys to please just double check to make sure that you're subscribed, and double check to make sure that your notification bell is on, because I don't know why they're unsubscribing people from our channel and why they're turning off people notifications. It just don't make sense, and it's not fair. You're working so hard, even though you're doing it as a passion, but it motivates you more when you see more and more people watches and more people become encouraged through your journey. It really encourages you more to keep going, even though the aim of why we started our YouTube channel remains the same. But it's just really unfair to know that that's what they're doing to us, and it's not cute at all. So I'm just asking you guys please to double check to make sure that you're subscribed, and double check to make sure that your notification bell is on, because you're doing us really bad. We're struggling to get 500 views per video for the past few videos, and it's just not fair. So I'm just asking you guys to double check to make sure that you subscribe, and when you do that, and if you're unsubscribed, just resubscribe and tell your friend, and tell your friend to tell your friend, and tell a friend to tell that friend, okay? And just help us to campaign and grow our channel continuously. Tyler, stop. Say morning, Faves.
Morning,
What you doing? Where are we going?
to school.
Yes, and what's happening at school today?
It's a birthday party.
Yeah, you guys, it's so cute at Tyler's school.
Birds. It's on the birthday, it's Shaggy's birthday, and Tyler's birthday.
Yeah, because Tyler is born in August and he wouldn't be at school during his birthday, so his teachers keeping everybody that born in August and September birthday together today. So he's carrying a little cake to school, juice to school, and cups to school. That's what they requested as on his list. So we have to buy the cake from the store that is packaged and sealed, and juice, no fizzy juice, and cups. So let me show you guys what Tyler is taking to school with him for his birthday party. We there is 23 persons in his class, so I packed 30 cups. Yes, they see it. I packed 30 cups, and I bought this marble cake. Hey, take time. You're gonna break it. I bought this marble cake so he can get to carry this cake to school. And then they asked for non-fizzy juice, so we bought this fruit juice. So yeah, that's what Tyler is taking to school today because he's having a party today at school. That's what they requested. So we are heading out to school right now. So yeah, like I was saying, you guys, just please campaign with me and help me to get back to where we were. Our channel have been doing so well. We have been growing consistently, and everything has been just going really well on our channel consistently so far, and we just want to keep that momentum going. So just double check to make sure that you guys are subscribed, and double check to make sure that your notification is on. And in case you guys don't know how to subscribe, on our channel page there is a button highlighted in red that is written subscribe. Just click on that red button and you'll be subscribed, and beside that word subscribe, there's a little bell. Just click on that bell and you'll be able to get your notifications. So that's as simple as what you guys need to do. Please, you guys, I know you guys are ride or dies with us, and it breaks my heart to know that you guys are not getting our videos when we upload. So just double check to make sure that all is well. Anyway, you guys, on another note, Babe is away. Babe has been away for the past 2 days.
Hey guys, and good morning everybody. I'm just want to say a little hello. I'm out of town today, and yeah, I'm in Marseille. This is a little town, well, a big town, not too far from this, about 2-hour drive. So yeah, I am here in this big hotel. You enter in from here. You have all of the little things, all of the little bar, drink. Yeah. Have here bathroom. Bathroom is inside the bedroom. I mean, just the water things, and the bath is here. You have like this specific design. Yeah, a big bed. Yeah, that's a nice. This is a big room. That's a nice one. If you can see outside, that's a little balcony. Yeah, and you can see the beach just around. So yeah, this is nice hotel. I recommend it to people. If they have to come to Marseille. I can recommend it to you. So yeah, I will be busy all day. So I catch you guys when I come home, when I going to pick up Tyler at school. So enjoy the vlog, enjoy your day, and yeah, see you guys soon.
However, he's coming back tonight. He's away for work, and so I have to be here holding it down until he gets back. So I'm about to drop Tyler to school and get back and get going with my day. Also, today is gonna be a busy day because I have work and I have to get back and pack because we are leaving tomorrow for a few days, but you guys have to stay tuned to see where we are heading. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I love you guys, and thank you guys for all the love and all the continued support, and thank you guys for all the messages, especially one person in particular, Rudy, who was the first to message me to let me know what's good. Girl, thank you. I really appreciate it. Tell the Faves later. Bye, Faves.
Bye, Faves. Mama.
Yes.
Your name is Barry.
Hey. You guys, I am here just vibing all morning. I have so much to do because we are leaving for a bit. So I have to be ironing so that Tyler will have uniform and stuff for Tuesday, because he won't get to go to school on Monday because we're returning on Monday, and I won't have time to iron. So I'm ironing, gathering everybody things so I can pack. If I can pack later if I don't get to pack before I leave for work. So I'm just basically around here busy, and it's almost lunchtime, so I need to go get lunch, and I need to figure out something for dinner. I don't even know if I'm gonna get to cook dinner. Maybe we just have to pick up some fast food today. I have supermarket to go later because then we won't be here for the entire weekend. So I have to go to supermarket. Just so much to do today. So much. So I'm gonna continue vibe right now and iron all these things right here for Ty. That your girl can be on her A game, okay? It's a busy Friday around here, y'all. Busy Friday, honey. Cute music. Hey, hey, hey. You guys, question, comment down below if you guys want to see me dance to some Jamaican music, because I think you guys get the little hint that your girl have a few moves and things. So comment down below if you guys want to see me dance, and if you guys want to see me dance with babe in the video, okay? He doesn't want to, but I have to convince him. You guys, one down. Ironing is finished, and I am making some lunch right now because your girl's hungry, honey. So for lunch today, I am making some smoked. Oh, I'm making smoked salmon, but I don't feel like having it uncooked today. So I'm just slightly frying it in the frying pot, and then over here I have some avocado, shawty. I have some avocado which I'm just gonna mash so that I can put this on some bread with, oh, so I can put it on some bread. I don't even know if I'm gonna have bread. I think I'm just gonna have lettuce, but let's see, whichever one I choose. I'm mashing the avocado to go with the salmon. So let's see what lunch is gonna turn out to be, because I really don't know what I feel for. I have zero appetite right now, zero. I just wanna work, but I can't work without eat. Hungry man can't stand. So let's see. Okay, you guys, so here what lunch is gonna be. This right here is toasted bread. In French it's called brioche, and I have some of it this morning and it was really good. It's something that I recently started trying, so I think I'm going to have some more for lunch. I'm just eating whatever I feel for. So I'm just going to put the avocado on it like this, and then I'm gonna put the salmon on top of that, and that should make a cute little lunch for me. And I really don't think I am cooking dinner, but again, let's see what the outcome of that will be. And I'm just going to slap one salmon on it, and there we go. Lunch is ready, and I'm gonna grub right now because I have more things to do around here. I won't eat all of that salmon at all. So that's lunch, you guys. Yeah, I'm taking apple. No, here, apple. No, not red apple. Green apple. Come on. Let's go in the other section. Come on. Yeah. You guys, we are at the supermarket. Baby's back. There's baby behind me. And we're at the supermarket doing shopping, and Tyler went to school. You went to school? Yeah. Tell them about your party. You had fun? Yeah. And you eat cake?
Yeah.
You eat cake?
It's And Tyler bit.
Yeah, you had so much fun.
Yeah.
Give me keys. Come on. And you drink it? Okay. Let's go find some goodies.
A forklift.
Huh? A forklift?
Mama.
Yes. Yeah. Corn. Come. Let's see what's next. No, we have broccoli at home. Come on. Go give it to Papa. Is Papa there? Come for another one. Babo.
It's what? It's what?
Next is nothing else. Everything is finished. You guys, we finally find rain boots for Ty. Finally. So now when rain fall, I don't have to worry about him in school. It's done. Alright, Tyler, let's go finish shopping. Come on. Yes, take that one, okay? Alright, put it in the cart. I think you should take 2, Ty. Take another one.
Another one or the same one?
Just 2, any 2. Go put that one. Good job. Mama want brown rice. So we have brown rice. Come, let's find quinoa. Quinoa should be right here.
Mama.
Yes, Dana, quinoa is here. Yay! So we're gonna take 1, 2, 3. No, take the rice. Take it. We want it. Let's go find Papa. Come on.
Let's go by Papa.
Yes, I don't know where he is.
Let's go by Papa.
We finished supermarket shopping and Nugget has been asking for pizza for the past week and I don't mind eating some pizza for myself. So the nearest Pizza Hut is almost 20 minutes drive away, and I decided that we're getting that pizza tonight. So we're going to get. Tell her where we're going.
To the Pizza Hut.
Right. We're going to Domino's, not Pizza Hut. The Pizza Hut is in town, but we're going to Domino's. That is a little drive away. So we're going to pick up pizza. So it's a pizza kind of night. Comment down below and tell me what you guys having for dinner on this Friday night, and by the time you guys watching this, of course it would have been past Friday night. So comment down below and tell me what you had for dinner Friday night, because Fridays a lot of people don't cook on a Friday, y'all. Who put pots on a Friday? Surely not me. I'm trying to cut out the Friday cooking. Anyway, you guys, pizza, I'm coming, I'm yawning, hungry. You guys, we're checking in for the night. Tyler is down to sleep. You guys, the pizza was so good, I didn't even have time to show it to you guys. We started eating the cheese bread the minute we got it. And we ate the pizza as we got in the house. So as we put the bags down, we didn't even unpack nothing. We ate the pizza and I'm full. I feel like a fat pig right now, and I am going to bed soon. Tomorrow is gonna be a long day. I don't know if I'm looking forward to it, but I'll roll with the punches. I'm gonna try and get as much rest tonight so I can try and prepare myself mentally.
That's why you put
that.
Tyler to bed at after 10 and a half.
The Jamaican expression for today is a that video, man. A that video. If you hear Jamaican say a that video, man, a that video, simple means you have a bad habit if you always do something and you hear a Jamaican say to you, adapt with you, man, adapt with you. You always do that, adapt with you. They're just simple emphasizing that you have a habit and you always does something. You understand what I'm trying to say? Right, so adapt with you simple means you have a habit, whatever habit, is a good habit or a bad habit.
Adapt with you, man.
Right, adapt with you, man.
Adapt with you, man. You want to know what's the French expression? Petit à petit, l'oiseau fait son nid. Little by little, the bird do his nest.
Okay.
Simple mean when you want to go somewhere, it's like step by step you building some things.
Like, I don't cut you, but I'm just giving an example based off the expression. Like, we got a call today that our kitchen is ready. What? So little by little we building the new house.
Right,
No? Right.
Petit à petit,
So that's why I
l'oiseau
said
fait
that. So you guys, before I get on to the exciting part of things, let me finish the expression. Petit à petit, l'oiseau fait. I don't remember the last part.
son nid.
Son nid. Oh, next is nid.
Right, N-I-D.
Okay. Petit à petit, l'oiseau fait son nid. Cool. So little by little, the new house is coming together because we got a call that our new kitchen is ready. Woot, 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 woot. You're not excited?
I'll
You
be
are excited. I
I'm
know you
excited
are.
when you be there. I'm not excited.
But that's just step one of getting the kitchen here. Now we have to go ahead and take this one down, paint the spot, make an appointment for them to come and install it, and then you guys will see the old cupboards that we're taking down from the kitchen. You guys will see where those are gonna go. But petit à petit, l'oiseau fait son nid. I did that right, no?
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican and the French expression of today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Because I sure did get this one. Alright, you guys, please, we beg of you guys to just double check for us if you guys notification is on, and double check to make sure that you're subscribed, because I don't know what's up with YouTube, but the past few days it's evident that something is not right with our videos, but we'll leave it up to you guys to help us to get it right. So just subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification if you haven't already, and if you already done so, just double check to make sure that it's done. Anyway, you guys, we love you guys, appreciate all the love and all the support, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And you have to come back to see where we'll be off to tomorrow.